And we are all being cautioned to limit our interactions for the Thanksgiving holiday to try to really reduce the spread of COVID-19. Of course, it is a very different holiday this year, so the experts are recommending different things. One thing is to keep those interactions essentially in our bubble, our immediate family, if you will. But in some other cultures, social bubbles are encouraged. Now, Kirsten Joyce is live in studio explaining more on how to essentially, Kirsten, bubble safely.
That's right, Brian, but first let's be clear here. When you interact with more people, you do increase your odds of acquiring and spreading COVID-19. Staying home and limiting your face-to-face contact with people is still the best way to avoid it. But in New Zealand and parts of the UK, social bubbles are encouraged. They can be a very effective way of extending contact beyond the household if managed properly, because you commit to only hanging out with certain individuals, all right? This might be what many of you are already doing. You probably already have your COVID-19 bubble. It could be your group of close friends, perhaps, extended family, neighbors, even your coworkers. But keep in mind, bubbles can also make it a little difficult to perform contact tracing. So here is how to bubble safely. There we go. Know about people's health conditions. Ask your friends or potential bubble mates if they have any underlying health conditions that could make them more susceptible to getting COVID-19. Set some ground rules. Have a conversation about what the expectations are for the group and know what precautions people have been taking. And one last note, feel free not to bubble. Even if your best friend in the world, the CDC says you shouldn't get together with people who have not been wearing masks or practicing good hygiene.